I'm too cold.
It's so cold, cold, cold. Hindi ako mag-morning walk. Uuwi na ako. Kaya magbi-video na ako ngayon. Para mamaya ay uuwi na lang ako, di ba? Ang lamig. 7 hindi. Sobrang lamig. Ang gaganda ng paligid. Ang dami ng mga dahon. Dati yan ang lungkot-lungkot dahil walang dahon.
No, I need to jump in.
No, don't. Your shoes will get dirty.
But I'm George from Peppa Pig.
You look like George. And oh, yun yung squirrel.
Yeah.
There.
Oh,
Tumakbo. I saw the squirrel.
yeah. Is it black?
No, brown. There's a willow. Hindi naman kita
Oh,
malayo.
I saw it.
You saw the willow.
I saw the big tail.
Big tail.
It's a chug.
Lamig. Good morning. Tour na ako. Ganito itsura sa umaga. Kasi summer time.
No, even though
Wala na yung mga ano, yung
even
mga,
though they're not
yung
getting
mga puti-puting
some acorn.
cotton ng
Cotton
galing
ball.
dyan sa cotton tree.
They're
Cotton.
get cotton from this so they can make a bed and pillows and some Q-tips.
Yeah. Oh, basa. Basa. Ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Ang aga ko nagising. 5:30. It's raining and with thunder and lightning. Nag-video ako pero hindi ko na ano. Oh, don't you hear the thunder? It's very loud.
Did it strike?
Yeah, of course. But one lightning also.
No. Can you show me?
Oh, later.
Look at that tree. The first one.
What? Why?
You don't see it?
That's Fabio. And, no, it's not Fabio.
There. It goes there.
Go run. Magbebel na. See you later. Ingat ka.
Bye.
Bye. Gonna rain. Oh, buti nagdala ko payong. Yung mga bata naglalaro doon. Mga estudyante. Uulan. Basa-basa ang playground. Ay, nako, lamig. Thank you for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Yun ang aking estudyante. Hindi na. Sisilutin ko muna ba na makapasok sa school bago ako umuwi. Ako hintay ko muna mag-bell. Wala na bell na. So, uwi na ako. Oh, thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Bell na.